Hello collectors, welcome to an episode of Y Team Hot Wheels, a complete diecast info, review, showcase, unboxing and etc. Subscribe and stay tuned for daily infos. A 2023 version of Hot Wheels Coupe Clip keyring car, this time in black body, with some gold accent and with gold base. A new batch of Hot Wheels NFT cars as a NFT Series 2 will be available soon. The cars are Honda Acura NSX, Chevy Silverado Trial Boss, a Rally Cat, Blade Raider, Mountain Mauler, Jet 2Z. Hot Wheels Volkswagen Beetle Baja Bug in Zamax series will be soon in Walmart stores soon. The all-new Hot Wheels Premium Box Set with BMW Motorsport theme aka Beemer. Cars in a set are a 2001 BMW M5 E39, a new casting from Hot Wheels, a BMW M3 E46, a 2016 BMW M2 and a Fleet Flyer. You can check an unboxing video on YouTube on Ministry of Diecast YouTube channel. New set from Majorate, a dream cars from Italy. Cars in a set are a Lamborghini Countach, Lamborghini Huracan, Lamborghini Urus, BMW and a Lotus Exige. I am your host Yash signing out. See you in next video.